Ayubowan. Welcome to lesson 1. Now that you know the guitar parts by name, I'm going to teach you the 6 strings of the guitar by name and by number. Here too, I will show you the strings on a diagram while I talk. The diagram of the 6 strings with part of the fretboard and part of the head will look like this. When you see the diagram and learn the string names, try to visualize this picture of the guitar. I am starting with the thickest string and it is called E. E for elephant. Next is called A. A for and. Then comes D. D for donkey. Then comes G. G for grow. Then B. B for big. And the last one is also called E. E for ears. It's easy to remember the names if you remember this sentence. Elephants and donkeys grow big ears. Did you notice that there are 2 strings by the name E? Yes. So these strings have numbers to avoid confusion. The last E string, which is the thinnest, becomes the first string. It is also called the E first. Next, the B string becomes the second string. G string becomes third. D is called fourth. A is fifth. And E is called the E sixth. Now let's play the 6 strings one by one. This E, A, D, G, B, E. When you play the strings without pressing them with your fingers, it's called the open position. Now this is E sixth. I'm not pressing here or anywhere with the fingers. Then it's called the open position. Now the next string, when I play, it's A, open A. This is D, G, B and E first. The length of an open string that vibrates is the same length from the nut to the bridge. That is from the nut from here to the bridge. That is the length of the string when it vibrates. When you press on a fret with your finger, the length of the string becomes shorter and the pitch of the sound becomes higher. Like this, if you press this one, now without pressing, it's like this. If you press this one, see, then the length is not from there, it's from here. If I touch here, even shorter. The length is even shorter and the pitch is even higher, like that. That's how the different notes come. When you press the first fret next to the nut, the note becomes one step higher. That is called a sharp. For example, A will become A sharp. Now this is A open, and if I press this here on the first fret and play, that note is called A sharp. One step higher than the note A. At the same time, it is one step lower than B. It is called B flat because this is B. And one step lower than that is B flat. The notes from A with sharps are A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, like that it goes on. Did you notice that B and E don't have sharps? One step higher than those notes are C and F respectively. So this is F. This is E and this is F because there is no E sharp. Straight away it's F. One step higher than E is F. The next step is F sharp. Next is G. Then, yes, you are right, G sharp, and the next is A. Now I want to ask you a question. Can I play the A note on another string, and how? Yes, you are right. The fifth string open is A. We learned that the fifth string, that is this one, open is A. So, on the first string, this is A. It sounds the same. Or, this is open. Or, it's the same. A. So, and you don't have to play on the first string all along, because when you go on playing like this, you can switch to the other string, like E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and then instead of playing this A, I switch to the next one, A, then again A sharp, B. Remember, after B, first step is C. Then C sharp. Instead of playing D here, I switch to the D string open. And D sharp, E, F, F sharp. Instead of G here, I switch to G open. And G sharp, A sharp, B open, it's B, C, and so on. You can go on like that. Now you know quite a lot about the notes of the guitar. I hope you will answer the quiz questions well. I won.